Hey. So, some news updates on the job front. I am basically walking around the block until it's time for me to have a meeting with Meltwater, my second interview. Pretty sure I'm going to meet the team now, which is pretty cool. And then another news update, I'm doing a code test for my services and some stuff. So it's a lot of stuff is happening now. Though the update that I would like to share with, I presume, only myself, because I can't imagine anybody's all that interested in how it's working out for me on the job front, is that Klarna got in contact, which is, if you don't know it, is a fairly big company up in Stockholm, or at least the office that they're looking for people like myself for is up in Stockholm. And this presented a little bit of a wow moment, if you will, because they seem to be very nice and like their hiring process is fairly long and all that stuff, but they're using like React and Redux and all the technologies, and they're basically looking for, either need to be a pure front-end developer or a full-stack developer where it's Node in the back-end. They're using Docker, Kubernetes. I was really trying to find something in their tech stack that gave away that, you know, oh, this sounds too good to be true, right? I couldn't find anything. Like it's not everything, but it's pretty up to date. Like they're all honest. And at first I thought, well, let's do a maybe thing on this because it's up in Stockholm and like I've been living here in Gothenburg for most of my life. So yeah, and then they send me their corporate videos. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I mean, Ticketmaster have corporate videos as well, and trust me, they are portraying a reality that is not so. If you look at the Ticketmaster video, it sounds like they're basically Google, and they are not, trust me, they are not. Anywho, the thing is that I made a video in a little while ago, which I think I dramatically enough labeled as fear, or dealing with fear. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I am afraid. Really afraid. I am I'm scared shitless at the possibility of working at something like Klarna, or like moving to Stockholm and doing all that stuff, because all of a sudden everything got pretty real, right? Because I've always been saying to myself that, hey, you know, if I ever get a chance to do something great, like work for Google or Facebook, I will move it like just immediately. But you know, when something like Klarna comes along, and you know, it gets real really quick, and it's kind of, I'm pondering it, and I'm like thinking about it, and I'm really interested in that position. But you know, it's happening so fast. That's how I feel about it. And I know that if my 5-year goal is to see how far I can come on just passion and trying to be a nice guy, and you know, not fucking over anybody, just trying my best to do the best job I can and be interested and learn things. I just want to, like, that's what I want, right? I want to try to be the best that I can be. And I'm pretty sure that of all the stuff that all the jobs I'm looking at right now, Klarna is probably the best bet to reach that goal. So this is, yeah, there's a lot of thinking going on right now, but I'll try to do what I usually do when I'm scared shitless. I smile, take a deep breath, and then just keep on walking.